G'day. Well, today I'm here at Manor Park Sailing Club in Staffordshire. It's kind of just outside of Lichfield, 6-7 miles outside of Lichfield, and I would probably consider it in some ways my home club because it's only 2 miles away from my house. Whilst I do most of my sailing at Northampton, Manor Park's another of the places that I do come sailing. Today it's very, very light winds again. I'm going to take out my battered old laser today. We'll see that a little bit later, I suppose. But give you an idea, Manor Park, it's a small place, it's a small water. Well, you think it's a small water, but actually it's a lot bigger than you think. It's an ex-gravel pit, and there are actually 3 lakes. So we have one lake in front of the clubhouse. Oddly, that's called Clubhouse Lake. We have another lake over the far corner, Nursing Home Lake, and a lake out the back that we can't see here, Saddlesole, which is where we do a lot of the racing. And all these lakes are interlinked, but the quirkiest thing is to get into Saddlesole, we have to cross a river. We have to cross what's commonly known as the Little Trent. The Little Trent is actually a ditch that was dug by the gravel pit workers way back when one of the quarries was exhausted. It doesn't take too much imagination to think, well, we could fill this with water because the main Trent is just over the back of the club, and turn it into a fishing lake. So that's exactly what the guys did. Dug a trench from the main river Trent that came through the land here, and obviously that water then comes in and floods the lake to give us I think it was probably this lake first actually, to give us, it was a fishing lake originally. Not too much of a stretch of the imagination again to think, oh, sailing. So yeah, a sailing club was formed, and the sailing club's been here about 40 years. And if you look at the surroundings, it's all very pretty and it's all very hidden. And it's so hidden that just over those trees is a main road between Rugeley, Kings Bromley up to the A38. And you know, there are people that have lived in this area, village and stuff, for 40 odd years, didn't even know this club was here. It's so well hidden. Lots of trees, a few islands, difficult place to sail because of that, but it's a good laugh. So today we're at Manor Park Sailing Club, and I'm going to have a little race later on. I think use my laser. Very, very light wind, so it's not going to be particularly lively, but we'll see how it goes. So there we are, Manor Park Sailing Club. was a good day today. I really enjoyed that. We're back from Manor Park. Really great day sailing. Not least because I actually won a race, which was quite made me quite happy. Pursuit races. I had about nine boats, maybe 10. I think there's probably 9 boats out. There's a real good mix at Manor Park. It was everything from Picos up to Merlin Rocket, and it's just a lot of fun there. The aim is to have a lot of fun. Nothing's taken too seriously, and we just go out, do some pursuit racing, and have a laugh. Really, it's really good fun. So yeah, I came, I think, 4th on the first race. I was hoping for a better result than that, but I got pipped at the last couple of laps. Made a couple of bad decisions there, but yeah, 4th and a 1st, so yeah, not too bad at all. So before it starts raining, because the weather really did change, the wind came up nicely, by the way, from this morning. I don't know what it was, but it came up nicely enough to go sailing, but the clouds come over, looks like it's about to rain. So before it starts raining, I'll get more unpacked, get back in, and yeah, we'll look forward to my next time out on the water. Absolutely fantastic today, brilliant. Cheers. Well, there you are. Another day, another adventure, as we just try to be less last. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate the time you've taken, and if you want to, you can subscribe to the channel via the button below. Thanks again, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.